Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be getting my corn rows ready so I can plant my corn. I'll show you what we're doing here. Normally we just direct sow our seeds, but we've had problems in the past where not all of them germinated, and we're trying to figure out what was going on there. It looked like the mice were digging into the ground and eating all the corn seeds. That's crazy, man. But I guess they can smell it, and they went down there, and we would see holes down, and they would eat the seeds. So let me show you in the greenhouse what we're doing this year. Now here we have all our corn. We put them in these trays. These are 72 cell trays, and this is going to work out better for us. We planted these, it wasn't that long ago, not even less than a week. They're sprouting already, and it looks like we'll be able to plant these probably next week or so. So we're going to have to I'm going to have to get the corn rows ready. I'm going to have to till it, amend the soil, and just get everything ready. So when the time comes, we just pull these plugs out and put them right into the ground. So this here is our corn rows. These are 80-foot rows. We have 5 of them here, and they're covered in a weed barrier, weed fabric cloth. And every foot, every 12 inches, what I did is I got a handheld propane torch, and I burned like a 3-inch hole all the way down every foot to put the corn in there. And that's been working out great. All right, guys, so I'm going to peel one side of the row cover, amend it a little bit, till it in, fluff up the soil, put the weed fabric back over it, and then we should be ready to plant. And now to add my secret ingredient, azomite. Good for your plants, add mineral to your plants, and nourish your body with good, nutritious, high in mineral vegetables. Okay, so I got all my rows done. The rows are amended, tilled, and I put minerals in. Fertilizer, we're going to do that as it's growing, during this growing season. Now we're ready to plant. The varieties I have here, the varieties that do best for us, are the G90s. Although we didn't get that great of a germination rate. Then the next variety is the candy corn. This variety is very chewy when you eat it, but also very sweet, very nice. We like it. And we have a few test a little test patch, we'll call it. They were from Sow Right Seeds. If you haven't seen the video I did on them, I'm going to put a link right up here. These seeds are called they're the sweet corn, they're called the bantams. Never tried it before. I don't even know if they do well in our area here, but we're going to try it. We're just going to try a little section right here and see how they do. You never know. That's the thing you're going to have to find out for your area, what variety does well. So I would ask around, see what grows well in your area, do an online search, whatever you do, find out what works best in your area, and plant those. So yeah, we're going to test those out, and let's start planting. I can't let these grow much bigger than they are. As you can see, the roots are wanting to come out. Just put your fingers down in there and then seal it back up. Some of these have two. That's okay. If it's got a long root, just kind of hold the plant up where you want it and fill the dirt in. Let the root hang down in the hole that you just made with your hand. And there you go. Okay. Again, it's got the long root. Let the root hang in the hole. And then just cover it up. So now what I'm doing is I finished the last of the G90s. I think my wife's got a few more to do here. And I've been planting the rest just direct sow. We're not entirely sure we're going to do this again next year as far as transplanting them. Maybe the mice forgot about it and they're not going to come back. I don't know. We got cats this year too. But I think we're just going to direct sow from now on. It's a lot of work. But what are you going to do? You know, I want to have corn. So you do what you have to do to protect your plants, or your seeds in my case. So I'm just putting each seed in about the second knuckle on your finger. Roughly 1.5 inches, 2 inches. Just push it straight in. And we're good. We'll water all this after we're done. All right, so I have my wife and we transplanted all the ones that we had, and all the other spots that were open, we just direct sowed. Quite a bit actually. You know, this is not something, I don't know if we're going to do it again next year, but the mice were just, it was ridiculous. They were eating all our seeds that we planted. So this is something we did it last year, I think, and then we're gonna try it again this year. It's kind of backbreaking, but keeps the mice from eating our seeds. We'll see. I about a third of them I had to direct sow, and we'll see how those do. If the mice don't bother them, then next year we'll direct sow. But this is just a situation that we have. I mean, I don't know if it's common in other places. This just might be a mouse haven here. I have no idea. But they crawl underneath this wheat fabric cloth here and just burrow in there, and then they go find the seeds and eat them. So that's not good. All right, guys, so everything's planted. We got our bantams on the ends here, and then we have 2 rows of candy corn and 3 rows of G90. So that should work out pretty good for us. And then we'll see during the growing season how they work out, and if the mice keep eating those ones, then I'll just have to keep planting more. I don't know, you know. All right, guys, so thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.